guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a little bit of coding on the F56. We're adding a couple cool features, or at least in my opinion, using the Bimmercode app on your phone. I am very excited to start this. I figured I could show you guys the process of it since there's not a lot out there about it. So let's jump right into it. Other than the Bimmercode app, you are going to need an OBD2 to Bluetooth adapter. I'm using the VPeak one. It was recommended by Bimmercode, so that's the one I ended up purchasing. If you already have one, then that works. Okay, so before we start, we want to put the phone in airplane mode so that during the coding, it doesn't get messed up by being interrupted with phone call or text and then mess up the coding. Very important, don't forget. Alrighty, so we're plugging in the Bluetooth adapter. Once we turn the car on in accessory mode, then we're gonna go ahead and open up the Bimmercode app and connect the Mini. So they have a list of cars. Obviously we're gonna choose Mini, being that that's what we're working on. Go ahead and click connect. So it's currently just looking for the ECU. We're going to go into body domain controller for what we're going to modify. So the first thing that I want to do is make it so I can close my windows with the key. So just go ahead and click the convenient closing with remote control. Then you're going to go ahead and click active. Okay, then you go ahead and back out. And then you press the code button. Okay, once you press the code button, the app itself will walk you through what to do. Okay, once you're all done, then you're all right to close the app. Don't forget to remove your OBD Bluetooth adapter. Okay, so other than the coding, I wanted to add projector lights to the F56 doors. So let's hop right into it. The first time, no problem, but now I'm struggling. Alrighty, so next we're going to be attaching the fire extinguisher to the roll cage. Adding these little extra storage for my phone. I used to store my phone down in here, but one day when I opened the door it cracked my phone, so hopefully where this is a little higher it will prevent that. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.